Morning, my dear student. Today I am going to tell you about the new chapter, that is HTML. We have completed internet and the technology, communication technology we have completed. Now today we are going to start with the new chapter, that is HTML. For this you have to install app, those who are using a mobile. Those who are having computer, they are need not required to install anything, but those who are using a mobile to work with programming, they have to install one HTML program. So that link also I will send you, nothing to worry about it. Which app you are going to use using a mobile, that also I will send you. Those who are using computers, in computer there is already, you are having Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer you will get the result, and in notepad you have to write. You have done this in your junior classes also, so a little bit you know about it. So class, let's start. So in this HTML is the hypertext markup language. In this we develop web pages which can be authorized, or you can say which can be added to your website. So we'll learn how to create a web pages. So in this, first of all, that we have to learn about is its introduction. Introduction says HTML is the hypertext markup language. It is used to create a web page, and further different web pages or collection of web pages can be used to create a website. In this there is one more topic is in your syllabus, that is CSS, Cascade, Style Sheet. And one more thing that we can do, that is a JavaScript, which is not in your syllabus. Later on you can study when you will be in higher classes. That time you will study JavaScript also with HTML. So in this we can create forms, online forms, we can create table, we can create links. You know very well, when you go to the web pages, then there are different type of links on which blue color line you always see with the black color line. Blue color line are the hyperlinks. When you click on that, another page opens, so that is a web page. So that we are going to learn using HTML. So different things in this page is given, I will send you, you read about it. Your next topic is the HTML capability. It is very ideal software to design a web page. There is one more, that is you can say uh, C sharp, C hash, and XML. There are many languages, but HTML is the best for giving you a platform where you can easily create a web page. It is a scripting language. Scripting language means everything is fixed. There are different codes, there are different tags, different attributes which is fixed, that you have to use for different things. Now, beside HTML, there are other language also like Java, PPH, .NET, etc. using for website, for creating a website. But HTML is the best one, which can use the feature of Java also, PHP also, .NET also to create a web page. It has a great capability to connect with other softwares also, and using the facility given in other softwares. Now, talking about it, is HTML is a platform independent language. Means if you create a program in your mobile, you can run in on computer also. If you run a program on, if you are working on laptop, you can run that on PC also, vice versa. So that is the thing. It is not a case sensitive language. Means capital small make no difference. You can write the tags name like as they have written, HTML in capital and HTML in small, both will work same. Now talking about HTML history. Tim Berners-Lee, a contractor at CERN, proposed and prototyped this in 1980, and later on In 1990, there are many features which was added, and browsers were added where we can run our HTML programs. And first official document of HTML was made by Tim Berners in 1991, means applicable for all. Previously it was used for the company only, for certain purpose only, but later on it was generalized and it was given to everyone. Now HTML document consists of 18 element in basic tags that I will tell you later what are the tags. You have done also in class 8, like you have done in class 9th also, I think. No, in class 10, in class 8th you have studied HTML. So where you have learned about paragraph tag, bold tag, which is given by paragraph is given by p tag, and that was bold is given by b, underline is given by u. So all this you are going to study here also, but where there are means advanced learning will be there in class 10th. So class this you also study and read. Now talking about the version of HTML, the latest version is 5.2, and it is very enhanced, means with great features. So in which we can add other programmings also. We can create form, we can add JavaScript, we can make user friendly, like in internet pages are as such where you can type, where you can add yourself, so different things are there. Now the latest version of HTML was released on December 14, 2017. Previously it was 5.1, but later on this was made. Now class you have to go with this two multiple choice question, and you have to make very short notes, very basic note. Whatever I have said right now, you make notes out of it, not from this whatever the matter I am sending. This is just for your reading purpose. That's all class. Go with this video, and in comment section wherever is the problem you have to tell me. That's all class.